helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Back with the F&O show. It's holding on to 5,000. So CK, let me get you in now on your earlier strategies as well as the fresh ones.
On the earlier ones, we had a Coal India futures which was open, trading around 335, 36. Maybe we are making a couple of bucks there. I think, the stock has not really lived up to the billing which I had expected of it. So I would suggest maybe letting go here for those who have margin issues or those who want to move on to other things. So I think that is one thing. If you wish, you can let go. Otherwise, for those who have no problem about all those, should hold it with a stop at about 330. That's a revised stop. We had options which were outstanding in Sesagoa, Power Grid and Orchid Chemicals. All of them are somewhat near about where we had traded it, maybe a little bit of plus, a little bit minus, so nothing much to choose there. But all of them are even now valid, so we should continue to hold them. These were the earlier ones. From the newer one, I'm turning quite bullish in State Bank of India. I think the decline is done. There are a whole host of signals on shorter time frame charts as well as longer time frame charts. I see a lot of brisk shorts getting closed out in the future space in the banking area. So I think at about 1880, I would recommend a long in State Bank futures. Keep a stop of at least about 15 to 20 points from your entry level. I would say the minimum target that we can look at would be about 1950 to somewhere around 1980. This is a multi-day trade. Second stock I would recommend is from the IT pack, a leader, TCS. Go long at about 1180. Again, something like a 10-15 rupees stop from entry price. And look for a target at about 1220 to 1225. Again, this will be a trade for few days.